examination reflecting unparalleled dedication, academic excellence, and passion for the medical profession, giving inspiration to peers and future physicians, embodying the commitment and excellence essential to advancing healthcare and serving humanity with compassion, thus giving pride and honor to the Davao region. Signed the 27th day of November 2024 at SMX Convention Hall, Lanang, Davao City, given by the Regional Director, Raquel R. Abrantes.